Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Subnautica 2 and the game is stuck on black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Subnautica 2 stuck on black screen easily. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are fully up to date. So you're going to open up your web browser here and then I'm going to show you AMD first and then I'll show you Nvidia and Intel. Click onto resources and support, drivers then. You're going to click onto graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphics card series from here and then select your graphics card model. Click submit, and once you're here you're going to click your operating system and you're going to download the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers on your computer and install them. This fix is only for AMD, but if the latest drivers don't work for you, then what you can do next is you're going to come back into this window, click onto previous versions, click your operating system, and you're going to download the second last version here, Adrenalin 26.3.1. So these drivers are reported more stable by some users for Subnautica 2. So you're going to download these drivers and install them, and you'll see that these drivers will most definitely fix your issue on AMD graphics card. Now on to Nvidia. Go into nvidia.com, click drivers, fill in this manual driver search form here. So select your graphics card along with your operating system, click find here then, and then it will find you the latest GeForce game ready drivers. Once it's done finding your drivers, you're going to install the drivers and then try to play the game. And now on to Intel GPU, you're going to go on to intel.com, you're going to click on to support then, download center, you're going to click on to graphics, search for your graphics card here. So whatever card you have, Intel Arc A380 for example, you're going to download these drivers on your computer and install them, and afterwards you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write your graphics settings, and then you're going to click on to add desktop app here. You're going to go to your Subnautica 2 games folder, so the default location should be in your C drive. From file 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Subnautica 2. You're going to add the Subnautica 2 exe here. Your exe's file name may be different. Just add it into this list. Then find it in this list. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto Subnautica 2. Click onto GPU preference. Set it to high performance then. Afterwards, you're going to open up your games platform. So Steam. You're going to right click on Subnautica 2. Click properties. Go into install files. And then click verify integrity of game files here. After that, now when you try to play Subnautica 2, you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face those black screen problems anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.